Namah Shivaya, Jai Shri Krishna. Today the topic is upgradement. We just upgrade everything from mobile phone to the games to the apps to the fashion. In fact, we are just trapped in a trap of upgradement. We have just upgraded everything which is related to the outer world. We upgrade, we want a latest version, new version to show the outer world. But in this mice run, we have forgotten that we have to upgrade our soul. We have just forgotten out that we have to upgrade our lifestyle, our creativity, our wisdom, our vision. But we have forgotten because we want to show the outer world that we are good. But in this outer world, we have forgotten what is our inner peace. That's why we need to think that its time have come that we have to upgrade our own self. We have to become a latest, a new, a best version of our own self. So, bottom of the line, when a river flow, it's give a fresh atmosphere. When a water flow, it's give a fresh atmosphere. It's remain fresh. But when a water stops in some place, after some time, it smell yucks and it's become a wastage. So always upgrade your wisdom. Just do not stop or stuck in some place. So my friends, this time is to upgrade the self. This time to decide that we have to flow like a water in everything, from a vision to the wisdom, to the creativity. We have to flow, and that's what religion teach, holy masters teach, and that's what the Almighty Krishna teach, that we have to flow like a water. That's what Srimad Bhagavat teach. In the Srimad Bhagavat, Mangalacharan, second slok, Dharma Praujhit Ketavot Paramo Nirmat Sarana Satam Vedam Vastavamatta Vastu Sivadam Tapatrayo Namulanam Srimad Bhagavate Mahamune Kite Kimva Parerishvara Sadhya Hridya Varudhayat Kite Bhisrushu Shobhistakshana. This slok in some para is teach that we have to upgrade the self. We have to upgrade the self. This shloka teaches that we want to understand the spirituality, the glory of Srimad Bhagavat, have to flow like a river. This shloka teach many things, but our topic is the bottom line, that we have to upgrade daily, day by day, every day. We have upgraded everything of the outer world. This time we have to upgrade the inner world. And in this upgradation process, our holy masters will help, our holy book will help, our religion will help us. And that's it. Thank you. Namah Shivaya. Jai Shri Krishna.